How to remove all saved videos on TikTok at once. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and tap on Saved Videos as shown. Here, you can view all your saved posts, collections, sounds, effects, products, places, playlists, movies, etc. If you want to remove any video from here, then open that video. Then, tap on the save icon on the right side of the screen. You have now successfully unsaved this video. You can repeat this to remove all your saved videos. Following these steps, you can easily remove all saved videos on TikTok at once.